Custom legend of several lines with 2 markers for the same text. I would like perform the type of legend shown in the figure. That figure I did with some tricks just to represent what I really want, so it does not show well the color of the pink markers in the legend. In the figure the circles represent the same parameter but for 2 different models. The same is true for the triangular and square markers. I want to place the 2 circular markers referring to the same parameter in the first line of the legend, and analogously for the 2 other markers on the lines below this one. Thank you. Code.
You may use a handler tuple handler and provide tuples of the artist to show in each row as handles to the legend.